A, A, A. A is the sound of the letter A. Apple, apple, apple. B, B, B. B is the sound of the letter B. Ball, ball, ball. Is the sound of the letter C. Cat, cat, cat. D, D, D. D is the sound of the letter D. Dog, dog, dog. E, e, e. E is the sound of the letter E. Egg, egg, egg. Is the sound of the letter F. Fish, fish, fish. G, 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 g is the sound of the letter G. Goat, goat, goat. Is the sound of the letter H. Hat, hat, hat. E, E, E. E is the sound of the letter I. Igloo, igloo, igloo. J, 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 J is the sound of the letter J. Jam, jam, jam. Is the sound of the letter K. King, king, king. Uh, uh, uh. Is the sound of the letter L. Lion, lion, lion. Mm, mm, mm. Mm is the sound of the letter M. Moon, moon, moon. Mm, mm, is the sound of the letter N. Nut, nut, nut. O, O, O. O is the sound of the letter O. Orange, orange, orange. Is the sound of the letter P. Pig, pig, pig. Quack, quack, quack. Quack is the sound of the letter Q. Coin, coin, coin. Er, is the sound of the letter R. A rocket, rocket, rocket. S, 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 s is the sound of the letter S. Sun, sun, sun. T, 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 t is the sound of the letter T. Tree, tree, tree. Ah, ah, ah. Ah is the sound of the letter U. Umbrella. V, v, v. V is the sound of the letter V. Van, van, van. Wa, wa, wa. Wa is the sound of the letter W. Watch, watch, watch. X, 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 x is the sound of the letter X. Fox, fox, fox. Ya, ya, ya. Ya is the sound of the letter Y. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Z, z, z. Z is the sound of the letter Z. Zip, zip, zip. Got it? P, right? P. You have to work on all of them, right? Very good, brilliant. And say the word like cat, cat. Yeah, yeah, that's the sound, cat. It's not like a cat, not like a cat, cat, cat. Yeah, good. That's good. Okay. Yeah, got it. L sound also you have to work. Like for example, I will call you tomorrow. I will call you. Don't say I will call you tomorrow. Mother India, I mean, sorry, don't you understand Bengali language, right? All right. In India, basically people say like that, I will call you tomorrow. Isn't it? They speak like that. Yeah. But it has to be actually, I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. Of course, I will. Yeah, little bit like the slide, not completely roll. Your tongue should not touch any area of your mouth inside. It has to be like showing. So, yeah, I will. Correct. See, your facial shape is moving different way. You can see on the camera. Look at your face when you were saying. I can see and look at your face. Observe yourself. That's cool. You are getting very faster. Yeah, that's actually I wanted to just make you understand again. You don't have to speak like any native speaker. I'm not talking about this. Just sound correctly, like I will call you tomorrow. Can you call me please? Say, can you call me please? Good, you are doing very good.